Atumia aria mohete nda na aria maracaria motungata ma urigitani wa ciana mwena wa Kibera na matura maria marigicĩirie mari na gitumi gia gukena amu murigo wa thabari cia gucaria motungata riu ne huthite thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi kuruguria wadi ya KEHERI ya motungata ma atumia kuheo ciana hamwe na ICU ya ciana iria ciaciarwo itakinyaniirie ihinda. Wadi no iruguririo ni ngavana wa Nairobi SAKAJA akiuga ni guteithiriria gukinyiria motungata magana ma atumia na ciana aria mokaga gucaria motungata thibitari-ini uyu kana aria matumwo kuma thibitari-ini ingi.
After troubles with congestion and location and following extensive renovation, I thank God today that we have our first ever neonatal ICU, complete with oxygen points, part of a neonatal unit with 76 baby care spaces, comprising 2 NICU beds, 4 NHDU beds, 20 incubators, 35 cots, and 15 kangaroo mother care beds.
SAKAJA oho ni ERANIIRE kurikiriria tabarira ciothe cia waki wa mathibitari iria irigiriirie aikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi gukorwo makiamukira motungata mega ma urigitani.
I recently asked all the chairmen na boards za hospitali through Waziri Susan to give me a compendium of all unfinished projects in the health sector. Haizi kuwa ati kuna kitu ilianzwa na Kidero, mwingine akakuja akaacha. Huyu mwingine ambaye akaanza, mwingine akakuja akaacha. Ati lazima ikuwe project yangu. Hakuna project yangu. Project ni ya watu wa Nairobi. So zile zote nimepata hazijaisha, nitazikamilisha.
Thutha wa mateta ma gucerithirio kwa marihi ma maabitha a ugima wa mwiri thiini wa matura, thirikari ya kaunti yugite mbeca ici ni igukorwo ikirekererio ona kuhanoro uguo gicunji kia mbeca ici kiri huthikaga kurihira motungata ma NHIF.
I really appreciate the work that is done by these people. It is special work, and a lot of it is not because they are paid. A lot of it comes from their heart, and you can see the kind of enthusiasm we have with our CHPs, and that just tells you it is deep within them. For that, I thank you.
So hao watatoa 2,500 ambao tunaongeza kwa 3,500 ili mupate 6,000. Hiyo MCA anasema tukianza na hiyo 6,000, lakini mimi sitawapatia 6,000, nitawapatia 5,500. Hiyo tano nyingine mimi nalipa NHIF kwa niaba yenu. Sini sawa?
Haduine Hakameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.